In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an frequently asked questions hub in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where you want to build your frequently asked questions hub. Next, create a new page that will serve as the central location for all your frequently asked questions. Once the page is ready, organize your frequently asked questions into categories such as onboarding, HR, IT support, or company policies. This makes it easier for users to browse and find answers quickly. After that, add questions and answers under each category. Keep your answers clear and concise, and use formatting tools like bullet points, images, or attachments whenever they help explain the information better. If a topic requires a more detailed explanation, create a separate Confluence page and link it from the frequently asked questions entry. This keeps your frequently asked questions page clean while still providing access to additional information. To improve navigation, add links or page sections so users can jump directly to the category they need. You can also use Confluence search features and frequently asked questions related macros to make questions easier to discover across your workspace. As your team uses the frequently asked questions hub, review it regularly and add new questions based on common requests or feedback from users. Once everything is published, your frequently asked questions hub will become a go-to resource where people can quickly find answers without having to ask the same questions repeatedly. And that's it. You've successfully created an frequently asked questions hub in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.